It's Friday night in London's West End, and over 1 million people are out on the streets enjoying the multitude of bars and restaurants. For ex-professional soldier Vince, now one of Westminster Council's enforcers, this is the perfect time to catch illegal hot dog sellers. All over the West End, the hot doggers ply their illegal trade, selling often over 300 hot dogs from one cart alone in an evening. It's a game of cat and mouse trying to catch the vendors actually selling their hot dogs.
There's people called spotters. The hot dog traders themselves are the ones that actually work on the stalls. However, for every hot dog trader, there's 2 or 3 people that are out there looking for us to alert them to our presence so they can make their getaway.
Normally, all Vince has to do is take a good intake of breath to know he's close.
You can smell hot dogs. Sometimes when they've moved away from an area, you might not be able to see them, but you can definitely still smell them.
Vince has to patrol with support from the police as the hot doggers carry small knives to cut up the bread rolls, which could be used against him. The spotters seem to be one up though on the first bust of the night, and they can't confiscate the trolley.
The reason why we haven't taken the trolleys away is that we haven't seen a sale, so no offence has been committed. So that we've told these lot to pack up and move away for the rest of the night. If we see these guys again and they're trading, then we're going to prosecute and seize their trolleys.
But it's not just hot doggers that Vince is after. He'll bust anybody who's street trading illegally, however creative they may be.
Time to go home.
What is it?
Time to go home.
Oh,
Yeah,
he's filming.
yeah, time to go home, guys. What's happening here? These guys don't have a licence to actually do the portraits.
We want license, you don't give us license.
However, they don't have a licence, so we're actually moving them on to go home.
I want license.
Whether the street portrait painters want a licence or not is no concern of Vince's, especially now they've caught a hot dogger red-handed.
And my colleague has seen the sale, so the hot dog's been sold. So we've got grounds now for the offence to have taken place. Therefore, the guy is now going to have his details taken off him, and we'll be reported to city solicitors for the offence of illegal street trading. And when we're dealing with the hot dog traders, you will get people saying, well, what about me? I still want my hot dog. You wouldn't want to be eating one of these anyway. Partially cooked sausages, not kept cold, ready to get thrown back onto the hot plate. There's potential there for food poisoning. Also, look at this way, there's no hand washing facilities on the trolley. So if he goes down and uses the toilet, there's a all point that he can come back up and he'll be, next thing you know, be flipping your sausage before putting it into the hot dog bun. I wouldn't want that, would you?
But on busting the final hot dogger of the evening near Oxford Circus, Vince gets the opportunity to point out yet another reason not to touch the merchandise.
Sometimes in here you'll find what does look like to be a bottle of olive oil. However, it's not. It's what they urinate in and actually still keep in the trolleys along with the food.
All in all, it's been a pretty successful night for Vince and the team, with 3 trolleys taken off the streets. In total, Vince confiscates over 500 trolleys a year, proof that all the hard work is slowly paying off.